Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a very small Ross haul. The last one was one item, which I think were forks, and this time around it's three items for the month of November. I hope you guys are enjoying the month. Currently here in South Florida, it is 88 degrees, and we've been waiting for a cold front for some time now. Hopefully, it has arrived by the time that this is uploaded. So I'll start with the first bag, the little bag. I went and got I got the chocolate scrub peppermint barks with other natural flavors. This is one of my favorite things to have for the holidays. This was $3.49. And I got this beautiful 8x10 picture frame. It has crystals on it. And this was $11.99. This is gonna be for my sweet little baby that's coming very soon. And this is the final item. It's pretty big. This is for the guest bathroom. It is a Beekman home rug. It's gray. It's dark gray. I know I'm in a very weird location, but it's 100% cotton. And I'll show you the room. This should also have, no, it doesn't have it. It doesn't specify it. Yes, it does. 24 by 40. So this is a nice, really thick rug that I'll be placing right now since I'm here downstairs. And everything came up to $34.75. I am so happy that I did not pass my little budget that I have set aside in my mind. And that was my haul, you guys. Very short and sweet. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the new season and your fall. I'm waiting for my fall to come down here very soon, so we'll see what happens. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.